Happy birthday, BP Maureen! Slay!
Happy birthday, Yon! Happy birthday, Maureen!
The phone rings in the middle of the night. My father yells, "What you gonna do with your life?" Oh, daddy dear, you know you're still number one. But girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Let's all have some fun.
Hi Nak, happy 18th birthday. Love you. Thank you dahil lagi kang nasa tabi ko. Sorry dahil konti ang attention ko sa iyo, nahahati, alam mo na. Kasi meron tayong baby, meron tayong negosyo. Pero thank you dahil ang ganda ng mga grades mo. Sana pagbutihin mo pa para marating mo yung pangarap natin, dalawa.
Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun. Oh, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Let's all have some fun. When the working days done.
My wish for you is to grow with confidence and sana marami pang good memories ang dumating throughout your journey. And enjoy life, enjoy being 18, and dream big. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan kung ano ginagawa mo, alam ko na matalino ka, ganyan, di ba? Hindi, nakikita naman namin yan. And so sana maabot mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. May the Lord God bless you always. And happy birthday.
Girls just wanna have fun.
Mau, today is your birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to. Kasi matagal mo itong pinaghandaan. Wish ko sana makatapos ka ng pag-aral at tandaan mo lang palagi na andito lang kami ni nanay mo para sa'yo at gagabayan ka namin hanggang sa makatapos ka ng pag-aral. We love you. Wish ko sana okay ka lagi. Love you.